girls from the 400-meter finals will come back again. NASTASSIA Fletcher will match up once again with Kelly and Carr. A big final on the cards, Jeremy.
Indeed, Dwayne, and here are the lane assignments. We'll run through them quickly for you. Chennai Jarrett of Stets will be in 1. Shantae Burke of Fern Court will be, or Shanati Burke of Fern Court will be in 2. Maria Crossfield, central champion, will be in 3, representing Edwin Allen. Alyssa Carty of St. Jago will be in 4. The defending champion, Kellyanne Carr, lines up in lane 5. In lane 6 will be Alia Mullings of Heidel. In 7 will be NASTASSIA Fletcher, the silver medalist from last year, representing Heidel. And she'll be in lane 7. And in lane 8 is Shanika Harris of Port Antonio, representing the East, as the athletes just setting up their blocks and getting ready for what promises to be a very enthralling 400-meter hurdles open final for girls. Of course, Chennai Jarrett of Stets there, the Western champion. Dwayne, Kellyanne Carr won this event last year, went on to win at the Carifta Championships as well, and at that time of 57.02 remains her personal best still. Yep. She has been able to carry that form into this year.
Yeah, absolutely. And Shanika Harris,
of Port Antonio, find things going tough here. A minute 6.5 in coming in. This now is NASTASSIA Fletcher, the silver medalist from last year, representing Heidel.
Yeah, the Class 2 400-meter champion, silver in this event last year, will want to upgrade to gold.
Her teammate Alia Mullings lines up in lane 6.
She 59.46, fastest qualifier from the semifinals coming into this final.
In lane 1, the irrepressible Kellyanne Carr, the defending champion.
Yeah, she was 57.41 last year, fast over 400 this year. Howling favorite.
Packs speed as well. Saw her running a 4x100 meter relay heats for Edwin Allen as well. This is Alyssa Carty of St. Jago.
Yeah, still yet to break 1 minute.
Maria Crossfield of Edwin Allen takes up her place in lane 3.
Such is the depth of this Edwin Allen team that Crossfield, the fastest in the field this year.
And this is Shanati Burke of Fern Court.
This will be her 4th 400-meter hurdles this season. Just started the event in February.
And representing the West, Chennai Jarrett out of Stets.
A minute 01.37 in qualifying.
The Western champion as well, Chennai Jarrett.
Yeah, 7th in the final last year was Jarrett. Alia Mullins.
On your marks.
3rd last year for Heidel 2-3. Can one of them go better and unseat Kellyanne Carr, last year's champion?
What a race we have lined up here. 1st, 2nd, and 3rd returning to the final this year. And they're asked to stand up. And Dwayne, how do you see this one going? Does Kellyanne Carr have enough?
I like Alia Mullings.
Title here.
Yeah, I like Alia Mullings in this one. The only caution I have with NASTASSIA Fletcher is her hurdle technique. She's very quick between the hurdles. So too is Kellyanne Carr. But Alia Mullings has a nice blend of 400-meter running and technique over the hurdles. I like her chances here.
And Crossfield of Edwin Allen has been looking good this season as well. Won at the Carifta Trials and also at the Central Championships. So quite a story to be had here as the athletes just stand behind their blocks. I think they're making some adjustments to the blocks in lane 1. That belongs to Chennai Jarrett, the Western champion.
On your marks.
So center their blocks once again. The girls' 400-meter hurdles open final. Jarrett in 1, Burke of Ferncourt 2, Crossfield Adrenaline 3, Carty St. Jago in 4, Carr of Adrenaline in 5, Mullings Hydel 6, Fletcher Hydel 7, Harris of Port Antonio in lane 8. The record 55.78 set back in 2018. Cheyenne Salmon and a sent off and an even break for the field. Crossfield gets out quickly and is looking close on Carty of St. Jago. Also going well up top is Mullings of Hydel. So as they head down to the backstretch, NASTASSIA Fletcher of Hydel, silver last year. The moving best of the lot has gone by Harris of Port Antonio. And her teammate Mullings is also staying right there with her. Carr is also ranging up nicely. Just about 150 meters to go. It's Kellyanne Carr, the defending champion, who's looking to take charge as they come inside the straightaway. It's Kellyanne Carr, the defending champion, and she's being challenged by Fletcher as they were last year. Fletcher and Carr to the final hurdle, 40 meters to go from the finish line. Fletcher and Carr. Fletcher will get it on the line, does she? Yes, she does. Ahead of Carr. Silver last year, takes the gold this year, relegates Carr to the silver. A wonderful race that was. NASTASSIA Fletcher 56.70 in taking the gold medal here. And the 400-meter hurdles open for girls and turning the tables on Kellyanne Carr of Hydel.
She more than turned the tables, Jermaine. She flipped the table on its head. She ran a fantastic race. Questions about her hurdle technique answered. That seemed to have been fixed overnight. A great first 3 hurdles for her. Didn't stutter into the hurdles. Saw her doing that earlier in qualifying. Her teammate Mullins right there as well. Kellyanne Carr at this point, nice and steady. Fletcher on her way to a world under 20 lead. Cuts her stride to hurdle number 6. Kellyanne Carr takes the ascendancy into hurdle number 8, but Mullins fading. Fletcher not going away. Carr feeling the pinch, stutters to hurdle number 10, and the flat foot speed of NASTASSIA Fletcher takes her to a massive world under 20 lead. My, this girl is special.
And she's loving this one. Dwayne, all smiles, and NASTASSIA Fletcher. And Mullings, her teammate, came through for the bronze. So it's Fletcher 56.70, Carr 56.84 for silver, and Mullings takes the bronze 59.25. Crossfield, Harris, Jarrett, Carty, and Burke round out the field.